What if everything you believe you know about reality is merely an echo of your own mind? Imagine for a moment that the universe is not a place, but a whisper, a vibration waiting for you to silence your thoughts to be heard. The instant your mind stills, the cosmos begins to speak, and what it says can forever change how you perceive your existence. We live trapped in a torrent of thoughts, an unending river that pulls us away from the truth. Every idea, every worry, every plan your mind weaves is like a curtain hiding the canvas of the universe. Science tells us that reality is energy, waves dancing in an infinite void, but what if those waves are not just outside you, but shaped by you? Quantum physics whispers a secret: the observer is not a mere witness, but a creator. Your consciousness doesn't just perceive reality, it weaves it, thread by thread, into the tapestry of the now. But to hear the universe's voice, you must first learn to let go. Think of time, that straight line we believe we follow from birth to end. What if time is nothing but an illusion, a trick of the mind to impose order on chaos? The mystics of old knew it: the eternal now is the only moment that exists. When you stop dwelling on the past or projecting into the future, time dissolves. In that silence, the universe reveals itself not as a distant place, but as a mirror of your own essence. Reality, then, is not something you observe, it is something you are. But there's more. What if our reality were a simulation, an intricate code projected by a greater intelligence? Modern philosophers and scientists have begun to suspect it. We live in a dance of data, a collective dream where every thought is a pixel on the cosmic screen. Yet, even in this simulation, there is a space where truth breathes. When you quiet your mind, when you stop chasing answers and let questions fade, something profound emerges. It's not a thought, not an idea, but a presence. The universe speaks, not in words, but in flashes of intuition, in the calm before the lightning. The energy you are is not separate from the whole. The ancients called it prana, chi, the breath of creation. Science calls it the quantum field. But names don't matter. What matters is that by silencing the mind, you align with that universal current. It's like tuning a radio: when you turn off the noise, the signal becomes clear. And in that clarity, you discover you are not just a drop in the ocean, you are the ocean itself, disguised as a drop. So why do we keep thinking? Because thought is the cage we've learned to love. It gives us security, identity, control. But control is an illusion, and identity, a disguise. When you let go of thought, you lose nothing, you reclaim everything. The universe isn't out there, waiting to be discovered. It's within you, whispering in every pause, every breath, every moment you allow yourself to simply be. So stop. Breathe. Listen. What is the universe telling you in this very moment?